Hello guys and YouTubers, what's going on? Today I'm going to actually unbox my brand new JBL Xtreme 3, and I thought I would really like to share my own very first impressions with you. And also the other good thing is that today's my birthday, so I'm now really fully prepared to open the box now. So. And also I've actually looked at the serial number of the box, and then it says, and it says it's actually a GG version, GGFL, which is kind of cool. So I'm going to actually unbox it now. Like a tiger tooth. Like you're going to get a knife. If you like the sound of speakers so much, guys, then just put it on the comment section. Put your just put your opinion on the comment section. Look at this little beast, eh? Let me wait. Bloody things, freaking things, out of the way. It's little stuff, little bibs and bobs. Crap. Ooh. Wow, wow. Wow. This speaker looks absolutely fantabulous. Oh. JBL Xtreme 3. Look guys, look. Wow. What a very pretty and snazzy looking little speaker. Yeah, I can tell, it's very light. Yes, but the JBL Xtreme 3 is actually lighter than both of the Xtremes. Well, because this speaker weighs about 1.5 kilograms. Yeah, about 1.5 kilograms around, estimated, and the JBL Xtreme weighs about over 2 kilograms, and also finally the JBL Xtreme 2 weighs about under 3 kilograms. So that is, well that speaker, in my opinion, is a bit better, slightly better, because it's actually lighter, because it's way lighter than all the other two Xtreme. This means this is the lightest Xtreme there is in the series. This is literally the lightest Xtreme of the Xtreme series. Give little bits, tiny little debris out. But as you can see, it says it's serial number, and it took SNGGFL, GGFL, which is kind of cool. Got partyboxes, so that means that pairs up to more than 100, in fact over 100. Partybox speakers, it does the same thing, does the same job with Connect Plus, but obviously that's not Connect Plus, that's partybox. Smarty guys. Extremely snazzy. What's it do? Well, to me, design-wise, I think that's the best. I think it's the best looking design-wise. I like the huge JBL brand in the middle. I like its little boombox too, like past the radiators. So I know for sure that speaker does have LFM, but that is literally the newest and latest JBL speaker which just got LFM. Apparently, and unfortunately, unlike the Charge 5, the Charge 5 doesn't have LFM, and also the same. I think it's the same with the newly released Flip 6. Also doesn't have LFM as well, so that's slightly of a downfall, but not as much of a downfall as this guy there, as that little guy's got built-in LFM. I'm going to test it at some point. I can't really test it right now because at my occasion, well, because apparently, unfortunately, at my occasion, it's just like horrible weather. It's like really cloudy, and it's a bit wet, and I've got no direct sunlight at all, so I might have to do a bass test indoors with artificial light. So what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section. I'm going to actually put it on, pair it with my iPad, and give it a good sound test. Make sure the passivator's moving. Wow, lovely speaker. I'm going to literally play that speaker right there. Actually, right there, guys. Peace. Right. First, let me turn it on. See if it's got any battery. Oh my god, sounds so bassy. The bass sounds exactly like the Boombox 2. It's exactly like the Boombox 2, the bass. Clean and more refined bass. Amazing. JBL Xtreme 3. I do like the colour too. I apparently don't really like the blue one very much. I prefer the black one, but one day I'm going to get one more Extreme. I'm going to get one more Extreme 3, which is going to be a camouflage for a new squad, a new pattern, like splatty splat, you know what I mean? Right. This is literally my best this is literally my best birthday present I've ever come across this year so far. Let me find. Let me listen to Zala by Lexmatique. Let's give that a good sound test. Let's begin. Let's commence. Wow, wow. Feel the bass, folks. Let me put it here. So bassy, guys. The most fantastic portable speaker I ever came across so far. The best to me. How about if I stand here? Flippin' heck! The bass is incredibly awesome. Actually a bit better, a bit stronger than the Xtreme 2 in my opinion, to be fairly honest with you. Do you like my lovely singing? Closer look. Just to give you a few more information, the speaker is 50 watts max RMS peak power. Especially on AC mode. Yeah, it's 50 watts, 225 watts, 50 watts AC mode. And I think personally, in my opinion, it's probably 40 watts in battery mode. This is battery mode, so this could be 40 watts max power in DC mode. It goes up to 50 watts. We'll try it on AC mode. It goes up to 50 watts on AC mode. I'll actually try it on AC mode at some point. Amazing speaker. It's like a giant Charge 5 and Flip 6. Woo! And also its frequency response, guys, its frequency range is ranging from 53.5 Hz to 20 kHz. So what do you think of the sound, guys? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll make another video at some point, and I'll see you soon. Take care, and yeah, bye-bye. The speaker's incredible. Actually, too incredible for its size, actually.